Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students of class 7. I hope that you have enjoyed your weekend along with your families. That's great. Today is the 25th of August 2025 and the day is, of course, Monday. Students, I am sure that you must have revised your concepts, whatever you have been taught the last. So this is in continuation with that particular concept which we read in the last week regarding adjectives and the degrees of adjectives. So we will be studying today that how can we make different adjectives from nouns and how can we change adjectives into nouns. Okay, it works in both of the ways. You can change an adjective into a noun and you can change a noun into an adjective too. And we will study that how. By adding particular suffixes, we can have a new word to use in our sentences, in our answers, in our creative writings. Okay, so this is very important that you should know how to change a word into adjectives. For example, if I say that there is noise in the room, oh my god. See, many of us, most of us do not like noise. And see, noise creates pollution, that is harmful for us, so we should avoid to produce noise in the class. It is not only in the class, in our homes as well, on the roads as well. But particularly, I am talking about classrooms, boys especially. There is a lot of noise in the classroom. Every time you pass by, and I have to come to your class to tell you that please, you have to stay quiet and listen to the teacher. So, noise is a noun, sure. इसका noun, noise is a noun. So, is there anyone who has an idea that how can we change noise into an adjective? Well tried, Burhan. We will just, let me have my duster. We will erase it and we will add y. So if I say there is noise in the class and if I say the class is noisy, does it make sense? Both of the sentences mean the same, right? So noise is the noun and we have added y to change that noun into an adjective that is noisy. Okay, what else? Any other example, please? Think of it. Amna Ibrahim. Let me tell you. I have a word. What is it? Smoke. Dhua. It's a noun. धुआं नाम है किसी चीज का. There is smoke on the roads. सड़कों पे क्या है? धुआं है. तो चीज है जो सड़कों पे जिसको हम धुआं कहते हैं. ठीक है? So what will we do? We will erase e and add y, and it will become smoky. Smoke is the noun of a thing and smoky is an adjective. The roads are smoky. समझ आ रही है आपको? We are just replacing e with y and the word is being changed from noun into adjective. So this is how you make new words. For example, we have another word, skin. Skin. Skin is this. My skin, your skin, we all have. Alhamdulillah, our body is covered with skin. It's skin. And if I say skin is the name of this thing on my body, the covering of my body. If I say skinny, skinny means the one who is very slim and smart. Okay, so see, this is the way how you make new words and how you use the same words in different categories to produce a better piece of writing, right? Now open up your books, page number is 51, and we'll be doing question number 1B with the help of the words given in question number 1A. You have to fill in the blanks by choosing any of the noun here, changing it into an adjective and filling in the blank. Take out your notebooks. We have to do it in notebooks. You will write these statements and you will complete the blanks. Okay? Let's start with number 1. After the heavy rain, the road was very... What happens when it rains a lot? It gets muddy. So the mud is the noun. Muddy जिसको कहते हैं, right? Question number 1B, page number 51. This is to be done in your notebooks, please. So mud is a noun. Muddy, kitchen, muddy. Muddy becomes an adjective. The roads are muddy because of rain. Have you seen the videos of flood? Unfortunately, that created a lot of disaster in those particular areas. Have you seen the mud over there? So that those areas have become muddy. Right. Number 2. The last number 2 is, yes, please read. Yes, I laughed when I saw the dash picture. Why do we laugh while watching a picture? Which kind of picture do you think make us laugh? Funny, of course. So fun is the noun and funny is the adjective. Good. Okay, Mohib, number 3. The dash old car had been dumped by the roadside. Yes, Mohib. Old cars get what? Rusty. Very good. जंग लग जाता है ना, पुरानी लोहे की चीजों को जंग लग जाता है ना. जंग को क्या कहते हैं? Rust. And the thing which having rust on it becomes rusty. You must have seen many rusty things around. Next. It was very late and my little brother was getting dash. जब देर हो जाती है, हम थक जाते हैं, what do we feel? We feel sleepy, of course. छोटे बच्चे को भी जल्दी sleepy. Then Fatma Arshad, number 5. No one had swept the old house for a long time and it had become very, when we do not sweep the house or a place regularly, there is a lot of dust on it. Yes, so dust is the noun and dusty becomes the adjective. So how easy is this? कुछ भी नहीं करना. There is no rocket science. You're just changing the last alphabet. You're replacing it with Y. Turning a noun into an adjective. Always enjoy whatever you are learning. Put your heart in it. Put your mind and soul in it to get the concept clear in your mind. And then, only then you will be able to produce it whenever you want to. Number 6, we looked up at the dash night sky. अब there are lots of what? Lots of stars. So star is the noun and starry is the adjective for a night. सितारों से भरी रात होती है ना, जब आसमान क्लियर होता है बहुत, तो we enjoy a starry night. So muddy, funny, rusty, sleepy, dusty and starry. Have you done it? Okay, moving further. Now students, up till now we have used why to change a noun into an adjective. Okay, now we will learn that how can we change a noun into an adjective by using the suffixes. Using the suffixes, we can also change a noun into an adjective. It is very important to choose the right suffix and to make a new correct word. For example, we have a suffix full. First of all, tell me what do you mean by suffix? We have learned it so many times. In every class, I guess, starting as of class 1. Very good, Hania Tahir. Suffix is a group of letters which we use after a word to change its category. For example, if I say fade, fade is a noun. But if I add fade full, it becomes an adjective. As people say that dog is a faithful animal. So faithful has turned out to be an adjective after adding full with it. Respect. Respect your elders. Respect everyone who is around. So it's a noun, respect. If we add full, Fala boy is very respectful. Okay, so when you add full with any noun or when you add suffix with any noun, a certain suffixes, अब full आप सबके साथ नहीं लगा सकते, ठीक है? full आपने कहाँ लगाना है ये आपने सीखना है इस चीज को. So let's see. एक हो गया full, the full of. Full of respect, full of faith, full of love, full of flavor, flavorful. But there is some एक चीज है जिसमें बहुत full हो गया, हर चीज है, ठीक है? Full of something. एक है less, है. So suggest some examples for less. I have a word, fair, and if I add less with it, it becomes fearless. कि जिसको डर नहीं लगता, एक होता है fearful जिसको डर लगता है, एक है fearless जिसको नहीं लगता, right? एक होता है useful. Milk is very useful for our health, है ना? Full. If I say useless, what thing is useless? Think of a thing that is used, but that you think is useless for you, but it may not be useless for any other person. For example, your old clothes, they may be useless for you, but they could be useful for a person who is not having clothes. ठीक है, ये साथ साथ चल रही चीजें. तो we have to think कि हमने किस जुमले में और किस टाइप का एडजेक्टिव हमें चाहिए. Okay. Now same page number 51. It's question number 2. Question number 2. Again, it's fill in the blanks. Okay, read the first statement. Saira Murtaza. Yes, the dashboards bobbed on the water. In bracket you have color. Color. The dashboards bobbed onto the water. and in bracket you have power. The dash car roared into the tunnel. Of course, only a powerful car can roar around in the tunnel. So it is powerful. Then I stared up into the dash blue sky, and in the bracket you have cloud. Cloud. अब यहाँ पे हम cloud full लिखेंगे, cloud less लिखेंगे, cloud D लिखेंगे. Very good तैयबा. Cloudy. Cloud full कोई word नहीं है, cloud less भी नहीं है. Cloudy. Then we watched the dash hummingbirds dart among the flowers, and in brackets we have grace. So grace, Lal, full, graceful. हम कहते हैं ना her personality is very graceful. Number 5, the dash boy plunged into the raging sea. We have just done this word fear. So fearless. तो fearless ही होगा ना, जो समंदर में कूद जाएगा. मुझे तो डर लगता है, मैं तो कभी ना कूदूं. I am fearful of deep sea waters, but उसका नहीं होगा. He is fearless, right? Then number 6 is that he tried to save the dog, but it was dash. He tried to save the dog, but it was dash. Useful? Yeah, useless. यहाँ पे you have to understand the sense of the sentence. He tried to save the dog, but है ना, वो बचाने की कोशिश की लेकिन useless हो गया, नहीं बचा पाया. तो useless, useful ना लगा देना, useless. The dash children raced home from school. Now the word is joy. Joy. Raced home from school. अब आप जब घर जाते हैं तो परेशान जाते हैं, कैसे जाते हैं? जब छुट्टी हो जाए, we have to go to our homes. So what is our feeling? It is joyless or joyful. Exactly. You have, when you think of your home, you feel joy. So it becomes joyful. And the last one is the dash tree gave no shade to passers by. No shade. No shade. Leafy or leafless? साया किस तरफ का नहीं होगा, जिसमें पत्ते होंगे जिसमें नहीं होंगे. Leafless. Leafless. See how many new words: colorful, powerful, cloudy, graceful, fearless, useless, joyful, leafless. Please complete it quickly. Please write very neatly. Okay? मेरी आँखों का इम्तिहान ना लीजिएगा. मुझे चेकिंग करनी होगी. I want neat work in your notebooks. On the next page we have page number 52. We have some suffixes like able and ible. We have able and ible. Again we will be changing noun into adjective. For example, able. Any word. Please hurry up. Respect, of course. Respect is a noun, and when you add able with it, it becomes an adjective. Respectable. Okay. Then we have a word reliable. If we have rely, we will write reliable. Reliable. A slight change in the sentence. Response. For this particular word, response. Responsible. Able. Okay. So this is another category of suffixes which is used to change nouns into adjectives. Quickly, and this is to be done on the book with a pencil, please. Neatly with a pencil, and we have to do it quickly. The performance last night was most enjoyable. Very good, Hanya. Yes, Barira. Number 2, quickly. My sister loves wearing dash clothes. Fashionable. Yes, Alpha Wasim. Number 3. The answer to the question is debatable. किसकी अपनी बहस करनी चाहिए उस सवाल पे. Debatable. Then Urva, number 4. Our team achieved a dash victory. Remarkable. Mubin. Next, number 5. Mubin. Sometimes my friend is not very reliable. कभी कभी नहीं भी होता तो reliable. Number 6. Subhan. The teacher told her students their behavior was not acceptable. Number 7. Muhammad Hur. She told them they should try to be more responsible. Right, boys and girls, I hope that this is quite clear to all of you, the concept of changing nouns into adjectives. I'll see you tomorrow, inshallah. Till then, complete your work. Allah Hafiz.